Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making some hot, delicious, and chocolatey fudgy brownies. So today what I'm going to be making is the healthier version of the fudgy, chocolatey brownie that we all love. And so here, instead of using all-purpose flour or maida, I'm going to be using whole wheat flour. And instead of sugar, caster sugar, or granulated sugar, I am going to be using jaggery sugar, which makes this recipe a whole lot easier. This recipe is also going to be eggless, but can also be made using eggs if you want. So first of all, I'm going to start by preparing my pan. I'm going to be lining it with a parchment paper and grease it with some butter. So to start off, we need to make 2 flax eggs. So flax eggs is a substitute for eggs, and instead of 2 flax eggs, you could also use 2 full eggs. So to make one flax egg, you need 1 tablespoon of flax meal, which is basically flax seeds grinded together in a fine powder with 3 tablespoons of water. So you need to make sure that this ratio is very accurate, because if not, the consistency of the flax egg will not end up as we want it to be. So because we want 2 eggs, I am using 2 tablespoons of flax meal and adding 6 tablespoons of water into it, and I will mix it completely and properly and make sure that there are no lumps. I will set this aside for 10 minutes. So, in a large bowl, I am adding half cup of chopped dark chocolate and half cup of butter. I'll melt this in the microwave. Now that the chocolate and butter is completely melted together and combined, to this I am going to be adding 1 cup of jaggery sugar. So make sure that when you are adding the sugar, the butter and chocolate are warm so that the sugar can melt inside of it. Give this a very good stir and make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. So now to this sugar and butter mixture, I am going to be adding the flax eggs that we made earlier. And a tablespoon of vanilla essence. And I will combine them entirely and completely. To make sure to achieve a very smooth batter after adding the flax eggs. There should be no lumps and it should be a shiny, smooth and silky batter. So to this batter, I'm sifting in 3/4 cups of flour and 1/4 cup of chocolate powder. So I'm going to gently fold in all the dry ingredients. Now one thing to make sure is that since I've used salted butter here, I have not added salt as a dry ingredient. But if you're using unsalted butter, do not forget to add a pinch or a teaspoon of salt into your dry ingredients. To this, I'm also going to be adding in some chocolate chips for the extra chocolate. Now I'm going to pour this batter in our pre-prepared pan. Now I'll put this in the oven to bake at 180 degrees for around 35 to 40 minutes. So now our brownie is out of the oven. Just one thing to make sure is that when the 40 minutes are over, put a toothpick in the brownies, and even though they're not perfectly clean and there is a little bit of a batter stuck on the toothpick, it is done. It will not take more than 45 minutes. So make sure that you take the brownies out on time, or they'll overbake and they'll not taste good. So now I'll be cutting into my brownies. Look how fudgy the brownie is. It looks so delicious and scrumptious. Also, before cutting into the brownie, make sure that it is cooled down for around 20 to 25 minutes to make sure that none of the batter sticks to the knife and it is completely baked. These brownies smell so good and taste so delicious. They are chewy, fudgy, and most of all, so chocolatey. I cannot wait to dig right into all of it and finish it all at one go. So until I'm finishing it all up, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and leave a comment down below if you made the recipe. How did it turn out? Till then, bye.